The frozen forest is impossibly quiet, yet every soldier around you refuses to move. Somewhere beyond the snow, a single unseen rifle has already changed the battle, and you're about to discover why. Everyone whispers the same impossible name, the White Death. If you were standing in this silence, would you dare take even one more step? Because nobody moves, you begin searching for the mysterious sniper yourself. But every tree looks identical, therefore the silence becomes more frightening than gunfire. A distant rifle cracks through the valley, but no muzzle flash appears anywhere. Therefore you realize the legend is real, and the enemy cannot even find the shooter. You discover that the sniper refuses to use a telescopic sight because sunlight could reveal his position. Instead, every shot depends entirely on patience, precision, and absolute control. Now you finally see him clearly for the first time. Simo Häyhä, almost invisible against the snow itself. But realizing how he hunts only raises an even bigger question. How could one man stop an entire army? Because his hiding place is nearly impossible to detect, Soviet patrols begin searching deeper into the forest. Could you remain perfectly still for hours while every sound around you might reveal your life? The search grows larger, but every failed attempt gives Simo another advantage. Therefore, the forest itself begins to feel like his greatest weapon. Even the freezing temperatures that cripple everyone else seem to strengthen his resolve. Every breath, every footprint, every shadow becomes part of an extraordinary survival strategy. The legend is only beginning, and the Soviet army is about to change its tactics completely because of one invisible defender. But the next move will test whether even the White Death can remain untouchable. Because ordinary patrols keep disappearing, Soviet commanders abandon caution and bring in specialized sniper teams. Therefore, the hunter who once chose every engagement now becomes the one being hunted. The enemy searches every hill, every tree, every suspicious shadow, but the forest refuses to betray its silent guardian. Every passing minute increases their frustration and strengthens your respect for his discipline. Because bullets fail to reveal him, artillery crews begin firing entire barrages into the surrounding forest. The ground itself erupts, but his carefully prepared shelter gives him one narrow chance to survive. The bombardment finally ends, therefore silence returns even heavier than before. Could you trust yourself to rise after believing every explosion might have been your last? Because he survives, confidence returns with remarkable calm. His next carefully chosen shot reminds everyone that patience can outlast overwhelming force. The stories surrounding him spread faster than military reports, but the truth is even more astonishing than the rumors. Every confirmed success forces entire units to move more slowly through the frozen wilderness. Because fear now shapes every decision, the battlefield itself begins to change. What would it feel like knowing one unseen person could stop hundreds simply through uncertainty? The winter war grows harsher with every passing day, but Simo refuses to chase glory. Therefore, his greatest weapon remains the same quiet discipline that no enemy can predict. Then the moment finally arrives that changes everything. A single explosive bullet strikes his face, and for the first time the White Death disappears from the battlefield. The legend seems finished, but history is about to deliver one final surprise. Because the wound is devastating, everyone assumes Simo Häyhä will never fight again. Therefore, the legend begins to fade into rumor, but the truth is still unfolding. Doctors work through the freezing night, but nobody knows if he will even survive. The silence inside the hospital feels heavier than the gunfire outside. Against every expectation, he opens his eyes once more. Therefore, the story that seemed finished suddenly gains a powerful new chapter. The war ends soon after, but the man behind the legend quietly steps away from the battlefield. Could you leave behind a life that made you famous without ever seeking recognition? Because peace finally returns, he chooses a simple life of hunting and nature instead of public attention. Therefore, the world's deadliest sniper becomes known for his quiet humility rather than his victories. As historians study his achievements, one number continues to astonish the world. Hundreds of confirmed eliminations were achieved in only a few months during one of history's harshest winters. But the real legacy was never just extraordinary accuracy. It was the reminder that discipline, patience and preparation can overcome overwhelming odds. When you think back to that first silent forest, everything suddenly makes sense. What would you have become if you had faced the same impossible choices? The White Death was never invisible because of magic or myth. He mastered his environment so completely that nature itself became his greatest ally. Now the silence feels different because you finally understand the man behind the legend. Thank you for living this journey, and if you're ready for another unforgettable chapter of history, I'd be honored to see you on the next adventure. What story would you choose to experience next? Because the war is over, the battlefield slowly disappears beneath fresh layers of snow. Therefore, only memories remain, waiting for future generations to uncover their meaning. Historians begin retracing his footsteps, but every discovery reveals how carefully he prepared each position. The more they learn, the more extraordinary his discipline becomes. Because every successful position depended on the terrain, the forest itself becomes part of the story. Therefore, you realize that victory was built long before the trigger was ever pulled. The deeper you look, the more patience replaces the idea of raw talent. Every quiet decision carried consequences that echoed across the entire front. Because legends often grow beyond reality, separating fact from myth becomes difficult. Could you recognize true greatness if it looked far quieter than the stories told about it? The verified record is already astonishing, but his character leaves an even deeper impression. Therefore, respect replaces simple amazement. Years pass, but visitors continue traveling to the places where history unfolded. They arrive searching for a legend, yet often leave thinking about resilience instead. Because the landscape has remained remarkably unchanged, it still feels possible to imagine those silent days. Every frozen tree seems to remember what happened here. The silence that once inspired fear now inspires reflection. Therefore, the White Death becomes more than a military story. It becomes a human one. Looking back, the greatest victory may not have been the numbers remembered in history. It may have been surviving with humility when the world expected only another legend. Because every legend eventually becomes a lesson, this journey asks something unexpected of you. What kind of strength would you choose when no one is watching? The answer isn't hidden in a rifle or a battlefield. It lives in preparation, patience, and the courage to remain steady when everything around you falls into chaos. Because history remembers remarkable achievements, it sometimes overlooks remarkable character. Therefore, the man quietly becomes just as unforgettable as the marksman. As the Arctic night settles over the forest, the story circles back to where it began. The silence is no longer mysterious because you finally understand what created it. One final question remains before this journey reaches its destination. Was the White Death defined by extraordinary skill, or by the quiet choices that made that skill possible? Because that question lingers, you begin replaying every moment of the journey in your mind. Therefore, you realize that every remarkable achievement started with one disciplined decision after another. The frozen wind feels gentler now, but it still carries the memory of those impossible days. Every silent tree reminds you that courage often leaves no visible monument. Because Simo never sought fame, history had to find him instead. Therefore, his legacy feels earned rather than created. As you imagine the endless white horizon, the battlefield transforms into something much larger than war. It becomes a place where human determination was tested against nature itself. The silence no longer feels empty because you finally understand what filled it. Could you have remained this calm if every heartbeat might have revealed your position? Because every choice carried consequences, survival became an act of patience rather than luck. Therefore, each quiet moment was just as important as every famous shot. Looking across the frozen forest one final time, you realize why so many stories still begin here. The landscape itself seems to remember every sacrifice. Because the journey has revealed the man behind the myth, admiration replaces mystery. The White Death no longer feels unreachable. He feels deeply human. The promise made at the beginning is finally complete. You came searching for history, but you leave carrying a lesson about resilience that reaches far beyond the battlefield. Every legend eventually fades into the past, but the values behind it remain timeless. Therefore, this story continues long after the final footprint disappears beneath fresh snow. You now understand why silence once frightened an entire army. In the end, it was never the silence itself, but the discipline hidden within it. The forest returns to perfect stillness, as if history has gently closed its final chapter. Yet the memory of this journey refuses to disappear. Thank you for walking through this frozen chapter of history. I hope it leaves you seeing courage not as noise, but as quiet determination. If this journey stayed with you, there are countless other remarkable lives waiting to be experienced. Every story offers another chance to step into history through someone else's eyes. Until our next adventure, keep wondering what history felt like from the inside. And if you're ready to experience another unforgettable journey together, I'd be honored to see you again.